Hi guys, I'm going to show you how quickly you can do an Among Us character using a one-stroke today. This is such a versatile and cute design. Boys and girls love it, and you can change it up 100 different ways. So stay tuned and I'll show you how easy it is. I'm going to start by using the Unicorn Split by Susie Amaro from Silly Farm. This is a great cake. It's just black and white, but it's so versatile and I absolutely love it. And then I'm going to take a 5/8 flat from the face painting shop. It's one of the pink tip brushes. I like to use this for the little mask of the Among Us character because it's just a little bit smaller than a 3/4 and I can control it a little bit better. So I'm first just going to do an oval with this Unicorn Split, and then I fill in the back with the heel of the brush, just like that. Don't really want it to look like a circle. There we go. Then I let the kids pick the color of Among Us character that they want because I just use split cakes for it, and obviously I've got hundreds of those, so they can pick just about any combination of colors or specific color they want. And I would say blue and purple were probably the most popular ones that I did this weekend. So I'm going to load up a blue split. And what I do is start at the top. I match it up with the front of the mask. And I lay the brush down and I twist and I come around and down. And then I go to the other side, I flip, and I make the little bottom leg, come back here, make the little bottom leg. The key is to keep the darkest color on the outside, and then you can even drag the toe of that brush around to line it. Now I'm going to keep my brush this way, so that toe, that darker color, is on the bottom, and I'm going to sweep to do the bottom part, and then I fill in with the heel. So this is all about controlling where that darkest color is on the outside. Now I need to reload a little bit, so I'm just going to dip in some water, grab another round of paint, and then I don't want to forget the little backpack because that's important. So I flipped my brush over so that the darkest color is on the outside, and I just do a little swoop for the backpack. And that's how easy those come together. So now what I'm going to do is just quickly line it with some black, which does make a huge difference. It really brings it all together, and since it's so quick, I found, this design maybe took me 2 minutes on the job. I was just whipping them out this weekend. So we do a quick outline just like that. See the difference? Makes a huge difference. I suppose you could skip it on the job if you are really, really pressed for time, but I would try not to skip that step. And you do not have to do this, but if you have time, highlighting with a little bit of white always adds a ton of contrast. And there you go. That is how easy and quick those come together. And of course, you can do them in 100 different colors. Now, for the girls, I was doing a rainbow and some line work. And the boys, I was taking one of my stencils, whether it be this block stencil or my dots that I use for superheroes, and I was just stenciling up around their eye. So quick, so fast, and really effective, and the kids absolutely loved it. So another tip I have for you guys when doing cheek art in general, not just Among Us characters, but anything you're gonna do, is be very conscious of the placement on the face. A huge mistake I made when I first started face painting was doing cheek art in this area of the face, because it's like a big empty canvas and it's super tempting. So I would do cheek art here and then go to show the kid in the mirror and they couldn't see it because they can't see the side of their face when they're looking on. So you want to just move it over a little bit more under their eye in this area, closer to the nose. Then when they are looking at the mirror, they can see the design and their parents can see it in photos as well. So I'm going to show you how quickly I can pull one of these Among Us characters together, just a little bit more real time on this. And hopefully that little tip about cheek art helps too, because I used to always make that mistake when I first started out and I would regret it. But it's a hard thing to train yourself to do it first. Once you get used to it, it's much easier. But this is going to be a quickie. But there's nothing more disappointing than you painting something like really cute and elaborate on a kid, and then you go to show them in the mirror and they can't even see it. Oh, look, I forgot the backpack. See, look at me. All right, watch. Boop, fixed. There we go. That's how fast. I mean, what was that? I don't know, 45 seconds? So I hope this helped. Use those 1 strokes and do the Among Us characters.